Hello dears, this is Satyamurthy from Bhargava Symmetric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am very happy to meet you again in this video session. Now I am going to continue 12th Mathematics, chapter number 1, exercise number 1.5. Question number 2, if ax square plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1. The remainders are 21, 61 and 9 respectively. Find a, b, c. They given using Gaussian elimination method. Listen to this. They given ax square plus bx plus c is the equation is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1. The remainders are given 21, 61 and 9 respectively. So we have to find the value of a, b, c. So I am going to use Gaussian elimination method. Before that, therefore let in the solution, let p of x which is equal to, what is the given equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. From this, p of x is divided by first one is x plus 3 and x minus 5 and x minus 1. And remainders also given. Therefore, the remainders are, first one is 21, 61 and 9 respectively. Listen to this. Suppose I want to find value of x. X plus 3 equal to 0. Then value of x is what? Minus 3. X equal to minus 3. From this, p of minus 3 which is equal to, what is the remaining? 21. And the second one is p of, listen, x minus 5 which is equal to 0. What is the value of x? X equal to plus 5, because minus 5 taken right hand side, it will change as plus. So p of 5 which is equal to, remainder is 61. And the third one, x minus 1. So value of x is what? X equal to 1. From this, p of 1 which is equal to, we can write, what is the remainder? That is 9. Listen to this. Now I am going to apply this value of x in p of x. From this we can write p of minus 3 which is equal to, listen to this, first equation, a into value of x equal to minus 3, therefore minus 3 whole square, and plus b into minus 3 plus c which is equal to what they given, which is equal to 21. From this, so minus 3 square is 9. From this we can write 9a minus 3b plus c which is equal to 21. This is first equation. So from p of second element is 5. P of 5 gives, listen, from the given equation, a into 5 whole square plus b into 5 plus c which is equal to, remainder is what? 61. Now square this, 5 square is 25a plus 5b plus c which is equal to 61. This is second equation. Listen, next I am going to find third equation, p of plus 1. P of plus 1 in the given equation, a into 1 square is 1, a plus b into 1 plus b plus c equal to, what is the remainder? 9. This is third equation. From the first, second and the third equations, now we can form a augmented matrix of AB. Listen to this, we have to transform this augmented matrix into echelon form. From this we can write, so what is the coefficient of A, B, C? From the first equation, 9 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 3, 1, and the remainder is 21. This is the first equation. From the second equation, 25, 5, 1, 61. 25, 5, 1, 61. From the third equation, 1, 1, 1, 9, 1, 1, 1, 9. Are you all clear? This matrix I want to transforming into echelon form. Listen, always in the first row, first column I want to get 1 because it will be easy to solve. So I am going to change the rows. X, R3, R1, R3, R1, R3. Listen to this. After the changing, so first row changes third row changes first row, 1, 1, 1, 9. And the second row there is no changes, 25, 5, 1, 61. 9 minus 3, 1, 21. Listen is in the first row first element, below this first row first element, two elements are there, 25 and 9. So first I want to make a 0 in the place of 25 and 9. So very simple, in the R2 place it changes, R2 minus 25 R1, because 25 minus 25. So in R3 place R3 minus 9 R1. Listen to this. Before that, first I want to find the R2 changes. What is the R2 element in R2? Please listen to this. R2 25, 5, 1, 61. So I am going to multiply by 25 in the place of first row. Listen, 25, 25, 25, 25 into 9, what will come out? 25 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 5, remaining 4, and 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 225. Listen to this. Now I am going to subtract this, everything. From this I am going to subtract this, 25 minus 25, 0, 5 minus 25, minus 20, and 1 minus 25, remaining is what? Minus 24. Now minus 225, 60 plus 61 minus 225. Listen to this, 225 minus 61. So 5 minus 1 is 4, and 2 minus 6, it is not possible. I am going to borrow 1. So 12 minus 6, remaining 6. So remaining is what? 2 is there. Remaining 164. From this minus 164. This is in the second row changes. I am going to find the third row changes in R3. What are the third row elements? 9 minus 3, 1, 21. Listen to this. So first row I am going to multiply by 9. So 1 into 9, 9, and 9 9s are 81. I am going to subtract now, minus. Listen to this. 9 minus 9 is what? 0. Minus 9, minus 3, minus 9, minus 12. Listen. 1 minus 9, minus 8. Now minus 81 plus 21. Very simple. 81, 21. So after the cancellation, 1, 1, 0, 8 minus 2, 6. So minus 60. This is in the third row. Now I am going to write the changes. Listen, in the first row there is no changes, 1, 1, 1, 9. The second row changes, 0, minus 20, minus 24, and minus 164. The third row changes, 0, minus 12, and minus 8, minus 60. Listen, from this, now I want to make a 0 in the place of minus 12, because then only we will get echelon form. Before that, the second row 4 is common, in the third row also 4 is common. I am going to everything I am going to divide it by 4. From this, R2 is divided by 4, and R3 also divided by 4. After dividing, we will get first row 1, 1, 1, 9. Listen to this, 0. 20 minus 4 is minus 5, and minus 6. In 16 4 time, minus 41. Listen to this, here 0. 12 minus 4 is 3, so minus 3. Minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. Minus 15 will come. Minus 15. So now again I am going to make a changes in third row, because in the minus 3 place I am going to make a 0. Listen, from this in R3 which is equal to, before that in R3 place, listen to, is very simple. R3 minus, in R3 place changes, so 5R3 minus 3R2. So this is important, yes. 5R3 minus 3R2. From this we can find first 5R3. So on the third elements, every elements is multiplied by 5. So what are the result? 0. And 5 3s are minus 15. Listen, 5 2s are minus 10. And 5 15s are, 15 into 5 what will come? 15 into 5 5 is 25, 5 remaining 2, 5 75. Therefore minus 75. In the second row multiply by 3. So 0, again 5 3s are minus 15. So minus 3 6 are 18, minus 18. Listen to this. So 3 into 41 into 3, very simple, 3 4 3s are 12, so 123. From this minus 123. Listen to this. Now I am going to subtract this. The subtraction minus plus. From this 0, minus 15 plus 15, 0. Listen, minus 10 plus 18 plus 8, minus 120, sorry, plus 123 plus minus 75. So 123, 75. Subtract now 13, 1 borrow 1. So 13 minus 5, that is what? 8. And remaining 1 is there. So 11 minus 7, 4. So 48 will come. 48 plus 48. So these are the changes in third row. Listen, after this we can write the matrix, that is in the first row 1 1 1 9. So there is no changes. The second row 0 minus 5 and minus 6 and minus 41. Listen to this. Third row, just now we have changed everything. 0 0 8 48. Listen to this. Now I have changed into echelon form. Do you understand? Because in the diagonal triangle shape we got 0. Now it is in echelon form. By using, I am going to equivalent system using by this echelon form. From the first row I can write the equation x plus y plus z equal to 9. So not x y z. The question they given a b c. Therefore a plus b plus c, which is equal to 9. From the second row, the coefficient of a is 0. So there is no a. Minus 5b and minus 6c equal to minus 41. The last row 8c plus 8c, which is equal to plus 48. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Listen to this. From the third one, 8c equal to 48. So I can find the value of c. c equal to 48 by 8. Therefore after the cancellation we will get 8 6 are 48. Therefore c equal to 8. Now from the second equation I am going to apply the c value in equation number 2. Minus 5b minus 6 into 6, which is equal to minus 41. So listen to this. Minus 5b, 6 6 are minus 36 equal to minus 41. This minus 36 taken right hand side, it will change as plus 36. Minus 5b, which is equal to minus 41 plus 36. So minus 41 plus 36. So subtract 36 from 41. So 5 is there. So greater number 41 as minus. So minus 5 is there. So minus 5b equal to minus 5. So after the cancellation b equal to plus 1. So now I have b and c value. So I can find the value of A from the first equation. So from 1, A plus B is what? Plus 1 plus C is 6 equal to plus 9. Listen to this, A plus 7 equal to 9. Therefore, A equal to 9 minus 7. From this, value of A equal to 2. Now I have find A, B, C. In the question they are asking you to find value of A, B, C. Now value of A, B, C are ready. From this we can write A, B, C, which is equal to value of A is 2, B is 1, C is 6. So this is the required answer. That's it.
I am B. Rishi Keshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. S. Ritika.